Ciao singer, welcome to my channel. I'm Ilaria, Italian singer and voice teacher. If you want to become a professional singer, subscribe and train your voice safely with me. Today we're gonna make the vocal warm-up together using the famous lip roll. For this exercise, we will use the minor arpeggio from the natural minor scale. Alright, let's train! Before you start with the vocal warm-up, you need to warm up your body first. If you haven't done it yet, pause this video and watch my complete body warm-up for singers. I want to give you some instructions before we start vocalizing. In this exercise, we will sing the minor arpeggio for 4 times in a row. This exercise helps you to improve your control of breath, because you will engage your core to support your voice for these long sequences of notes. You don't have to use a lot of air, the right volume is mezzo forte. In this exercise we will sing notes from A2 to E4. If you feel uncomfortable with some notes, for example if they are too high or too low for you, don't worry. Skip them or watch my playlist for beginners. Down below you find the keyboard so you can see in real time what minor arpeggio you're singing. Okay, stand up and feel the rhythm. For this male version I called a friend, the Argentinian guitarist, singer-songwriter Lucio Dipi. Welcome Lucio!
Hola, soy Lucio Dipi y ahora sígueme en el próximo ejercicio.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Perfecto, genial.
Now we can continue our train together with the next exercise. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so we can train together every single day. Ciao!